Okay, I just got back from West Texas with a couple of students. We all self-isolated before we went on, so we were all safe in terms of COVID. What we were looking for was volcanic ash, and we found some. You can see here, there's an orangish and yellowish layer that extends across like this. That's altered volcanic ash, what we call bentonite, all altered to clay. And underneath it, you can see this contact is this grayer lithology right here. That's a calcareous mudstone. This was all deposited in the Western Interior Seaway about 100 or 90 million years ago, where we had this shallow inland sea starved of siliciclastics, and so the ash beds come out pretty nice and clean. Now these ashes, they actually come from the volcanoes out in California around 90 million years ago, the Sierra Nevada, the Peninsula Ranges in Southern California. And you have to envision that it was something like the modern Andes, where all these magmas were coming up, and then they erupted catastrophically, sending out, well, these were stratovolcanoes, sending out immense amounts of ash that went up to the stratosphere, and then drifted across Western North America some 800 kilometers or so to West Texas and deposited here. And we're studying them because we want to know, reconstruct their compositions to figure out what the magmas look like back 90 million years ago in California. Unfortunately, most of those have been eroded, but these are basically the roofs of those volcanoes that have been blown off and now deposited in these basins. Now, bentonite, the altered form of these ashes, is often used for drilling muds. It's also used for kitty litter. It's an absorbent. Also as a laxative. And it's used to help clean toxic waste in the subsurface because it's quite impermeable. Once water gets into the clays here, they expand and they seal up the porosity. So it's a neat rock, ash here from California in Texas.